Welcome parents to Parents as Co-Educators program. We are going to perform the activity named paper folding. This activity will improve the motor skills of your child. Let's see what we need to perform this activity. Any color paper and color pencil. Procedure. Step 1. We will start by taking a square piece of any colored paper. In step 2, we will fold the upper left corner to the lower left right corner, then unfold it as shown in the picture given in the screen. In step 3, we will fold the upper right corner to the lower left corner and then unfold it, just like it is shown in the screen. Step 4. Fold the top half back, then unfold it, just like it is shown in the screen. In step 5, we poke the center with our finger so that the center pops in. In step 6, we will bring the left and the right side together so that the paper collapses into a triangle, just like it is shown in the screen. Step 7. We will rotate the triangle depth 90 degrees in counterclockwise direction. In step 8, we will fold the bottom corner up a little above the center as shown. In step 9, we will fold the top flap over the bottom one as shown. In step 10, we will turn the fish over and we are done. In order to decorate the fish and to make it look nice, we will draw the eyes and some strips with the color pencil. And our paper folding fish is ready. After finishing the activity, parents, please discuss with your child about what they have learned throughout the activity. That's all for today. I would like to request the parents to please send the videos and pictures of the paper folding activity that your child has created in the given WhatsApp number. If you are facing any problem while doing the activity, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.